Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to download and install CheapOair app. We will also put a link in the description below for various travel offers and deals. To start, tap the link on the description below. Once you click on the link, you will be directed to this page. At the upper part, you will see a button that says Get the app. Tap on Get the app. Before you proceed, you will see this preview page. Read the reminder, then tap on Open. Now you will be directed to the App Store or Play Store. To download, tap on Get. Once the download is finished, tap on Open. In the app, tap on Get Started. If you don't have an account yet, you could register with Apple, Facebook, Google, or email. Otherwise, tap on Sign In. In this video, we also sign up for Club Miles. It is a CheapOair program wherein you can earn and redeem points. If you also wish to sign up for that, enter your email address on the field provided. Then tap on the button that says Sign In or Join Club Miles. Next, enter your first name, last name, and the password you wish to use. After entering, tap on Join for free. That's how you download and install CheapOair app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles. And our Amazon shop link in the description below for amazing shopping ideas.